Hello, George Palmer here, founder of SendOwl.com, and today I am very pleased to announce the release of the new merchant interface. This has been a mammoth task for us here at SendOwl HQ, comprising of over 4 months of development. We have looked at everything from visuals to increasing the speed at which common tasks can be performed, and there's a whole new set of features on top to boot. The first thing you're going to notice is the navigation has moved to the left-hand side. This is picking up on an industry trend as it works so well across all different types of device. We've also taken this opportunity to change the navigational elements into more logical units. Along the top of each page you'll find a new global search. In here you can enter an order ID, a discount code or a product and just hit search and it'll work out what it is you're looking for. There's also a notifications list which alerts you to important things that are happening on your account. For example, these might be license running out or a chargeback received. You'll find these mixed in with the activity feed, which is at the bottom of the dashboard. This is a new section which gives you an at-a-glance view of what's been going on in your account the last few days. Just to complete the dashboard, if you head back up to the top, there's the chart exactly the same as before. You can hover over a point to see the data. But what you can also do now is hit the payments, profit or conversion numbers and that will show you the chart for that attribute. If we check out the products section next, you'll notice that all the different types of products, that's what were formerly called products, packages and subscriptions, are now all in one big list. And that's because fundamentally merchants aren't really bothered about the distinctions. They're ultimately just an item that you want to sell. Looking further up the page, there's options for sorting the products and searching. What I want to show you next is how to create a new product. This has been completely rethought. Hit the Add Product button to get started and then choose the type of product you want to create. We'll go for a service in this case. Then it's just a case of entering the required fields, name and price, and hitting the Create Service button. We then end up at the button code page and we're ready to start selling. Moving on to the orders section, you'll be able to see the new list style throughout the interface. There's also a filter section along the top and the ability to search. If you click the order number, you'll go to the orders detail page, which is a style you'll find is reused throughout the interface. Moving on to the marketing section, you'll see that this is the new home for discount codes, affiliates and mailing lists. These are all essentially tools that help you sell more, so we bundle them all together in one area. The reporting section is next, and as before you can choose the date range over which you analyse your data. I'm going to go for February here. The chart shows your data over that range, and as before you can hover to see the number. Further down the page, the table shows the same data split down by, in this case, product. This can also be changed to discount code or affiliate. Finally, there's the settings section, which I won't go into too many details on, but it's been completely revamped, restyled, and some of the sections split into more logical units. One final thing to note is the whole of the new design is responsive, so it'll look as good on your desktop as it will on your iPad, as it will on your phone. The menu collapses when you go quite small, and you can manually trigger this in or out in the larger states by clicking this button at the bottom of the page. So I hope that gives you a quick overview of what's new and what's changed. It's been a pretty quick tour. I appreciate any comments or thoughts on that. Then please do get in contact with support and let us know what you think.